All Unity homes feature European-style tilt-turn windows that are mounted in the middle of our thick, well-insulated walls. Installing trim for these mid-mounted windows is a bit different from trimming the more common flange-mounted windows because extension jambs are used at both the interior and the exterior. Depending on the trim style chosen and the scope of Unity's package, the extension jambs and trim may or may not be provided by Unity. Unity offers two standard styles of interior window trim. The style we call Type 1 is a traditional flat wood casing with wood extension jambs. The other style, which we call Type 6, has a simple, clean look created by chamfered corner bead at the sides and top, and a clear finished wood sill and apron at the bottom. As for trim types 2 through 5, nobody's quite sure what happened to them. For wood-cased windows, the trim is provided by the local builder if Unity is supplying a shell package, and by Unity if we'll be supplying a tempo package. For the trim using the chamfer bead, Unity will always provide the extension jambs pre-installed in our shop. The chamfer bead itself is provided by the sheetrock finisher. If Unity is supplying a shell package, then the local builder will provide the sill and apron for this trim style. If Unity is supplying a tempo package, then the sill and apron are included in that package. We hope you found this little introduction to Unity's window trim styles helpful.